Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Kiana and welcome back to my channel for another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my top knot bun. I promise to link everything down below so you know exactly what I use. Just make sure you check the description. And again, thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I am done blow drying my hair. And now that I'm done blow drying my hair, I do want to show you guys all of the products that I actually did use on my hair to wash, deep condition, and all of the things. For shampoo, I used Arbonne's True Smooth shampoo. This has pro vitamin B5, which is amazing. For conditioner, if it'll focus. For conditioner, I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I really like this stuff. I started using it at my mom's house, and ever since then, like, I've been hooked. One thing that I care about the most is my hair's health, not my hair's length. So a few months ago, my boyfriend cut all my dead hair off because I had burnt it out. And now I'm just like, you know, keeping it healthy. I don't care to like grow it long. There's other people's hair that I could wear for that, okay? But now that we're all washed and blow dried, I use the rest of my Zaire extensions, heat protectant spray. But we're doing a top knot bun today, so let's get into it. I like to straighten my hair first. So we're gonna go ahead and just put our hair into one ponytail and then get the flat ironing. All right, y'all, so all of the like hard stuff is done now. I washed, blow dried, and flat ironed my hair. I'm about to go ahead and actually get started on doing my bun, okay? So to do the bun, I am using some edge control, and this is the Zaire Extensions edge control. And then we're also going to be using the Got to Be glue to kind of like hold it and mold it. And then I'm also going to use the Style Factor edge control. I like to use both, but this is so simple. This is not hard. If you can't get your hair in a top knot bun, baby, I don't know what to tell you. But I'm starting with my brush, and I'm just gonna brush my hair upwards to where I want my bun to go. And this is a top knot bun, so this is gonna go on the top. And I think I wanna do bangs. I've been doing a bun with the two bangs lately, and I really like that. Something bit me. I have a welt right there on my forehead. So like right here is ideally where we would want the bun to go. Literally right here. This is where you want your bun to go. Let's start with the Style Factor. I like to just take it like this, apply it all around. For me, the sides of my hair are the nappiest and require so much attention. Why I flat ironed it, and I'm gonna like brush it up. And I just take the excess and kind of wipe it up. Wipe it up. Comb it through. If you comb it through, there will be no white residue. Some people like to do sections where they section the hair off stuff like that. I don't have the time or anything. Like, I don't care that much. I forgot to part my bang out, so let me just do that first. Am I gonna wear it? Nah, I don't want to do that. I could spray the back and do the back because that's the easiest part. Let me turn around and show you this. So nice and slick is what the back of your head should look like, okay? And then let's just go ahead and work our way to the front. I just really like it to look so sleek and nice. So now I'm gonna take my Zaire Extensions edge control. This edge control is really good and long lasting. I'm also not a baby hair kind of girl. I just like it to look, again, like I said, very nice and very sleek. So the Zaire Extensions is like a real edge control, and that's why I use it in the front. And I feel like the style factor is like something to help slick your hair, but it doesn't hold well. See that? Woo, baby. That is beautiful. I'm not a baby hair girl, like I said, guys. I don't really know how to do baby hairs. I only know how to make my hair go in the like natural form. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab it, slick it up. This is so pretty. My hair, I love my hair. All right, y'all. Now that our ponytail is done, we're about to do like the top knot part with the braiding hair. So get yourself some braiding hair. You can use a whole pack if you want to have like a big bun, but I prefer to look like natural for me. So I just pick about the same amount of like thickness of hair as my actual little ponytail. This one is a little bit thicker, which is fine. So I'm just gonna loop it like this. I'm gonna take this one, put it in the back. I'm gonna pull it, and you see how there's like a little ball right there. I'm gonna take this braid in here and pull that through. So it's like that. It covers. And I'm gonna do another loop and bring them both through. So then we have us a ponytail. Hopefully I'm explaining this properly. Then I'm gonna take all the hair and I just try to like mix it and wrap it, and I get the rolling. I get to twisting just like this, and I just wrap it and make a top knot bun. And we're done. Isn't that so simple? So yeah, I'm happy I didn't do the bangs. So this is it, y'all. My top knot bun.